Are you still struggling to filter weekdays in an Excel chart? Let me show you how to get it done. First, enter the date and weekday in the first row. After entering the first row, we typically drag it down to fill the series with dates and weekdays. However, if we change the date, the weekday does not automatically change with it. Let's explore how to solve this issue. First, we enter the date in the first cell. After entering it, we can use the Weekday Excel function to identify the weekdays as demonstrated in the video. Once the formula is created, it displays the numbers as shown in the video. We then drag that formula down to the bottom. Then we go to Format Cells and select the Custom field. After selecting it, you can enter 4D letters to display the full day in the cell, or 3D letters for the short form. In this video, I'm using the longer day category for appearance purposes. Now we are going to do the most crucial part, which is entering the weekday in the table. We will navigate to the Home tab and choose the Fill icon within the Editing section. Within that section, you will see the Series icon. Click on it to display the table, then proceed with the steps demonstrated in the video. After everything is done correctly, Excel will import only weekdays to your table. Let me show you how to access the Series field using shortcut keys. First, type the following keys in order. Now, let's check the accuracy of your formula by modifying the date in the table. This will automatically update the weekday accordingly. You can see how easy that is. Thanks for tuning in. If you found today's tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this.